made you a bucky?
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.
It is TV powered by Sports Betting. It is Times of CEO Dozere. Esixabanisa ibhola mfakakhanya. Ugrando.
No, angikrend, asicabanga.
Esixabanisa ibhola. It was an interesting
I've got
game.
big respect.
No. It's important that
Inabachita.
people know that we do debate.
Yeah.
Sometimes I stand next to you. Sometimes,
Yes,
and
true,
people need
true.
to know that we do debate.
And we learn when we debate.
We teach each other. But yeah, that was an interesting game. It's Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 1. The debate was about who goes home, happier than the other one. Who fears the other one more? But anyways, let me not take over Junior's video. What did you think of the game, sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Justice.
Just, sir.
Always look beautiful.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The main so ngoba lebe little the main so
The little Napoleon.
Legend ngibulisa uLindo Pep.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulisa uBobzini, ngibulisa uShane. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. I think bonga abantu basemaponya mfethu ku support eBranch in WSP today.
Sure.
I was there at WSP branch meet and greet. Engibonga kakhulu yena mangisuka la nya ku McG.
I was about to say you're doing a lot of things
Yes,
today.
yeah,
Because going to event McG. Are you speaking in front of people?
There's questions for me about my book.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah,
nice one.
in
So
front
there's
of
people
people.
and you'll be speaking.
Yeah, I mean, I always thank you, Mfit. And I'm sure I'm going to say
Nice
it
one.
again,
Thank
I
you.
think,
Thank
yeah.
you.
Yeah, going to the game. Mfethu, ngicela ucompliment umfana uDenzel Qala. Ngifene i-development mfethu. Le ntwana le started the game.
World class goal.
Le ntwana ama ungachecka today ngibuzile ukuthi wadi wayefaka ku-team sheet. It's like bakufaka ku-deep end. It's
Yes,
like
yes.
yeah, inhlanzi bayifaka emanzini angaka le ntwana leya. I don't think he had a good game. Masikhuluma overall game nje yayo, but ngikhuluma ngegoal. Good technique. Eyes on the ball. Mfethu school siphethe le ntwana ziningi mangalapha school, one of the best. Ngicela ukukhuluma necoach engisendela i-message uKevin Silanga. Ithi Junior, I'm proud ubone intwana yethu ngithi hayipheka bengizokutshela if isikele no, one of the best talent as well, but there's still no more esifuna ukuyibona mara uyambona umfana ngoba le technique just kwakhe in Sundowns akusi easy mfethu. Going to the game.
Just speak about him a little bit more. What do you think was the purpose of him there in that midfield?
Yeah, simple. Pirates today sacrificed. They came here, always when they play Sundowns, they sacrifice. I think it's a game plan from Jose Rivero, also Wadu, they sacrifice. But I'm ball players, bazange badlalisa according to his strengths.
Sure.
That's Nemtechela, bekumele ahlale noNuno. This boy Tansel, stumbling block, cut time move. Him, Nonduli. Not movement much, but no cut move at Sundowns. In the middle, Sundowns very dangerous. Ulindo mentioning into, and I think so emphasize, the difference was a coach. I think between two teams, it's a coach. I think Caruso, no, this guy, Wadu. And Pirates, Wadu understand his players. Yabo, I'm a medal, but he understands his players. He look like we understand I'm a player. Nkhuluma nangamasapo akhe the way. Today was let down, I think, with Tito Magamfaga. In today's games, Maunga Cheka, Pirates said, Son Alawa, nibe ne pole position. You're going to build up, I mean, sometimes my department, that's a philosophy. We play 3 at the back, we move from wing back up, we push, open liba end. And inside Bell Sebenza, it is laga left. What they did, I'm a wing forward. Matthews ungena phakathi. Selis ungena phakathi as well. And Mdao goes, but the side Bell Sebenza saga left. Opri style, yalazi ball. I mean, it's just obvious, my coach, Melum challenge Opri, mfana stick to your priority. But to Opri, ma restricted too much, I think you're going to kill him. Very dangerous player decision making, uhlula attack maning. Manga check up about Puma ngadaga left. But on the box number, banganayo. Khuluma number banganayo.
It was always Shaluli.
Yeah, ile nto engikhalela kubo Allende, I think ila missing ngamkwena. Yes, udlala defensive midfield, but he will go. Lama second ball beka win take shot, yabo. Bekumele between Allende Obas. Futhi Allende bekumele up front because Obas naye bamtshelile udlale kahle namhlanje. He was not being tested because midfield Orlando Pirates, the coach sacrificed.
Yeah, they were marking.
Yeah, because the Pirates, what they did, I think they planned from long ago. See, Pirates will back identity, long philosophy. We played with wing.
Yeah.
Right and left. And we skillful wingers. But I'm a player when you came today. Remember, they played a system team against relying individual brilliance. Pirates, we complimented last week and say Pirates, what we shinchile. They dominate games. Also, they allow players to express themselves.
Yeah.
But in today, they sacrificed. But team midfield, we're not going to play. We're not going to allow Nemtechela to go box to box. Nemtechela is going to stay with Ununo. And I think second half he did very well. Yabo, but to sacrifice attack, you can be more of a middle. There was not much of both in Kulma, Bakore 1, ngikhuluma nge-Sundowns i-mistake mreme lapho bengamelanga adropele lapha. I think I was frustrated bekamakhanena le autumndawo, one of the best right back in Africa, not in South Africa for me. Very quick in recovery, he's got height, physical, strong, ne-speed yala zibhola. Improve with good decision making because makajoin i-Sundowns bamsayine as a winger from Leopards bekashaya decision making but manje improvile umchitha because kunelinye ibhola ushalile nalapho create something out of nothing. But Pirates, second half they came, it's a game of 2 halves. Pirates they created I think 4 chances. Ngikhuluma nge-chance kungukuthi noma bengivala amehlo it's a goal. Siema
should have
did very well ukudlula ama-midfielder but the boy was arrogant with the ball. Utabla Pile kamnandi thathe responsibility, carry the ball, or arrogant with the ball, shaya 1-2. Yalazi ball. I think he's a defensive midfield. He can play there for me.
Because there was a problem ngaye no Shalulile. Makumele defend Shalulile first half.
I think
But on the ball is very good.
Yeah, I think first half I was a bit nervous. Ukuthi uShalulile ngibona 10 lapha. And then corner la be debatable. I'm not going to say
penalty
it's a penalty.
No penalty. Yes,
I can't say it's a penalty.
I remember those moments.
Yeah, but being this thing ukuthi Mbokazi can go. Nyazi ukuthi udlala ngole weak udlala ngole left. But you can push him outside. Ngendlela physical to physical. Shalulile is not a skillful
player. But abalandeli bePirates just back to Siema. When they look at that opportunity, they are counting a goal there. They are counting a goal.
Lo mfana udlalile man of the match but lapha boy. Mas mawuphasa. Lo muntu in line with umrimi. Kiwe khoneni boy. Sonke sa celebrate sasa ngena amabhola aso relaxa. Baniki day off. Lapha yana it's Pirates clear at 3 points ahead of even at 20 if they won all the game 25 points. Or 24 khona lapho 6 points ahead of Sundowns nidlile to pass boy lapha you break kamnandi boy and then just boy le ball asidle sekhoneni but the boy one of the best player equality lamfana it's just into ekumele bamtshele because we're gonna be quickly simfake ku national team uzodlala against this African European team.
Defending is important,
very important. I think mele si emphasize good boy listen ibhola lazi but just the priority esicelayo just mhlambe you become a sweeper ngoba I don't think it's a man mark. Umuntu odlala is a sweeper uhlakaniphile uphethe timing umfana sikusweepise ipriority yakho you need to defend, you need to learn mele bamshale bo 1v1 ejimini 2v2 mhlamba bamlande bayithoma defend izom improve hayi ukuthi bamfundise improve but none than that Pirates created so many chances. They can better nge-energy.
In the second half.
Energy amasapo abo it's just yoba ngisho Tito balethe down. Kule sub kwaTito bengifaka umbule mina. Cause Sundowns imidfield yabo bese batete kanje. But the coach Sundowns la ngimquestion yakhona. Yiyo ngithi difference is a coach. You seem not to understand the team. Maybe Sundowns is not one of the best this season, but still they able to.
They probably win the league as well.
Everyone that's playing against Sundowns, even the Pirates today, they sacrifice and say we're not gonna play, but so by the plan. And the plan now, Pirates always mabadlane Sundowns siyaspa.
Let me take you to this place, girl.
Yeah.
It's not the first time Sundowns bayivala ngeplan. Even as Africa banokuyivala ngeplan. And the plan normally is just people behind the ball.
Yeah.
Ukuthi sovala ama passing lanes nani. What does Sundowns need? Yes, background ukuthi badlale. We like that.
Yeah.
But it seems to be in a stumbling block mababevala nge-low block. What do they need? Is there anything good variation in game plan? Because here there were no chances. Aba creating that much. In other matches about the Pirates or even in Champions League, they don't create that much. But siyazi ukuthi bazol keeper, bazol passer, they will progress, but they're not getting into the box.
Yeah. This thing has been, that's why it's predictable this season. Kunama game bazowina, nabo bangazi bawine kanjani. Maybe 20 players.
Well, there are too many smaller teams in South Africa. They will beat those teams.
But in Shangabo, they will frustrate them other teams who low block. But share pola too much without nokuba quick man. Sometimes you don't need ukuthi pola touch wonke umuntu. Sometimes you hurt opponent like Paris did. I win my moments. Angithi in the game kuna moments.
Yeah.
You sometimes read the situation as players and then you play first time behind the defense and then you go one ukuphendula. But at least Otladisa, if not mistaken. That was a big mistake. Khodisanga mean. Big mistake. A best winger, one of the best winger for me if bamka chance. Nalo mfana Maseko today beyangabanceda. Yes, mhlambe question.
And if you think about Ribeiro, some of the matches that he won single-handedly.
That's why bengikhuluma noBobo manje ngithi team yenu. Yes, kuna mama game even this last year when he was playing this way. Ribeiro bekanwinela ama game. Because nini philosophy and they don't change. But this guy as well, Urlani what he did. Urlandi was movement of the ball much.
Yeah, with Pitso as well, third man running.
Pitso Msimane as well, third man run. And they varied their games. Just that Urlani front three, I think not creating so many chances.
Yeah.
But we ask to Ribeiro, begak finish it, Shalili begak finish it. Into gule yaga this coach. Urliza kana ma winger. Now mawungacheka njengamanje ukhipha iwinger uSales on the right, you put this guy in midfield to Jaden Adams. Udlala nga 4 midfielders, which is 3 or 4. So now Umdiba will rely on as a wing back to go.
Sacrificing the
Pirates, that's a cheatayo. Because Pirates, what they did, they cheat with front three. It's just that to coach in Award was let down by Apolis. In today's game, Apolis not udlalenga moments now. Mrim off for me. You won't get me na gonna play looking by Shady Zandla. The games, I'm game manje yakunyana mfethu. Game Shady Zandla nomfana utansel because this thing it's a history le. This boy history lenta yenzile nkuleko mfethu it needs a character, a pick hard. Igame ya today bengafuni talent only. Well done to Pirates, well done to Sundowns to show good both their quality. They've got the quality. Igame idlala center. Edge of ground yasikhulume abangeni emabhoxini. Pirates maybe much better second half, 3 chances clear. But nabo they respected the Sundowns respected Pirates because they move the ball around but like high line dangerous look like high line ngana speed at the back but keep
yes they always rely on the high line
yes if they tumbule that's why ngithi coach nayo wadi ubemele bamtshele have mbule le clever players ukwinela igame umbule lama pass beyanga tripla ngo-opponent aziyele lento yenze lo mfana usiyema immediate kumele iyenze indlela bekumele babhit Sundowns ubabonisile usiyema i-1-2 bekumele bayenze 1-2
because their line is too high as well
badlala i-high line babhekuphelile nenu-Ronel Wille because la ubonile ntwana ba-expect ukuthi yolishaya i-defender yaliphusha shaya 1-2 yazira Sundowns badlala iyaline bapressile but ngapha bastretchile kunama-gaps in the middle abakwazi ukumakha each and every game badlalayo it looks like they're gonna concede
for sure
at the back dala ngibacompliment ngikhuluma nge-attack when Rulani was there Pitso but even now Rulani didn't know how to defend
because they rely on the idea which is Sokora more than you. When you are coming to us, you might score 1. We will score 3. We'll score more goals than you.
But I'm happy with these two teams. Bayenza kube easy for Hugo Bros for South African football. One of the best teams in the country, like it or not. Pirates exciting. Ngikhuluma nange depth. Mabafaka nabo it's a pity ukuthi mabasake kumbutuma manente kumele azilungise. This is a big game for Bumbutuma for me because they need to prove themselves still. Mabasa if was there mhlambe mawukhipha mina mabasa mina bengamcala but yes mhlambe based on the performance angithi ukorile manje evident but nokuthi amkhiphe kule game angisifene yakhe I think it's the biggest mistake.
Let me ask you one more question just as giving us a time indicator. What difference do you think Umukwena would have made? Do you think it would have made a difference ngokuwina nokuloser or maybe it would have stayed this way?
That's why ngithi ama-team e-South Africa they need bathathe accountability. Umkwena was off beyangekho today. Imagine if he was there. Ebeka i-target yayishaya inokushaya inethi inokudecide igame kwi-defensive midfield. He win the battle. Also very arrogant on the ball. Yakwazi ukuphasa short long. I-game ye-Sundowns idetermine uye. Yabo is link defense and attack. We decide igame njengoba ngisho today was gonna a different base of mining kakhulu. Set piece that ball anything can happen. China and also lama short rebound okanye alishaya net and also pulling in the middle ngapi football understanding mature as well kule age akuye 24-25 khuluma nge-experience players la international also in PSL week in and week out evergreen so because obanceda in position and off position namhlanje bamluze kakhulu yes Obas you can tell Obas dlala safe idlala safe Obas lentwana le ngithi mina ngishayile izandla ukuthi ekurisk mfethu lentwana mayimista lapha ingabanga ne-bad game sithi yenzeni why shooter fuck lentwana si mind my language but bese ichuka abanye abantu I mean ushayileni umfana but the boy risk
world class goal
best players in the world they risk well done one of the umfana udlalile and ukuphendula no Reiners I love Shalile man Reiners ukunika enye dimension mfethu we talk about very mobile kwazi ukora he knows how to score goals very mobile dynamic he understands his strengths each other Shalile is more of a target man there it goes there but bakayile goal well done they've got 2 strikers that Grand Sundowns but ngisasho am I going forward coach yabo kunama questions
there's not enough opportunities in big matches aba create enough
angithi ngikhala ngani
in big matches
mele ngibe nevar the way they are playing they are top predictable uNuno I know ngishilo ukuthi uNuno uyalazi
he might be a difference maker
yalazi ibhola but uNuno is more of a team player man unawo lawo moment but akusu repair you need 3 preparers ku Sundowns they need to sign dynamic players are attacking njengamanje intwana uMabhenifake manje nabo kuhlani bebangayincedi i-Sundowns angibona they dominate and then ama player individual brilliant ukurana behind okanye ukulanda umuntu uyayinida ukuthi kube ne-variation bashute ngalezo zinto well done sibukela igame enhle mfethu but Pirates ngalela bhola bena bekumele bayiwine le game ngani especially ngalama chance but it's 12 game of 12 for me.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That's Orlando Pirates and Sundowns. It's a becoming a big fixture. Well, it is already a big fixture because it's Sundowns, it's Pirates, and then it's Sundowns, and then it's Chiefs. And of course, the bigger one between all of those, it will be the Soweto Derby. But this game, culturally for us as football people, we should be elevating it to a level where you can already see that they don't like each other and they're scared of each other. And it's like a World Cup final for them. They make so much mistakes or they're scared of making mistakes. It becomes very tense because those are the two best teams in South Africa for this period. It is Tiske Times was suspecting.
Shapunjan bafowethu Kamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Diski TV.